Welcome to this month's Flowers What's Next. We're going to take vegetables from the garden, flowers from the store, and create this beautiful table scape. Hi, welcome to this month's Flowers What's Next. I am Adam Heverla and I'm here to share with you a great way to celebrate the outdoor barbecue that you're about to have using peppers as our vessel. As you can see, they're great colors, and when you cut the top off and remove the seeds, it is the perfect vessel to hold water and then our flowers. Now that we have our pepper vessels ready, I've spread out our bouquet, and this is going to be the perfect summer bouquet for what we're about to do. And so I'm going to start with my big focal flowers. Just give them a short cut and just stick them into the vessel. Just lay them in. This will be the easiest design we've done, but it'll be so impactful for when your guests come over. Next, our Ostromeria. I went ahead and took off some of this foliage. I love when the Ostromeria doesn't have a lot of foliage. I'm going to cut it very short, and I'm going to again put it in a contrasting color. Just like when we do other bouquets, it's good to do this a couple of days early so that way the flowers have a chance to bloom open and really flourish for you. And as you can see, I'm just putting these around, filling in the vessels. When we have our chrysanthemums, just like always, let's pull these off, the laterals off, put them in a little grouping, super easy, give them a short cut, and place them in. Do you see how this is already coming alive? It is such a cool concept for that outdoor barbecue and celebration. It's something your guests will photograph, and I guarantee you they're going to go home and do it themselves because it is so cool and pretty. We're going to do another one in this other pepper. Now I have one more Austro, so I'm going to go ahead and pull some of this foliage off just so we don't see the foliage. I really want to see all that beautiful orange from the Ostromeria coming through. And now we have our spray roses. Let's go ahead and pop these off. Just like we did the chrysanthemums, the stem is just too long, and by doing this we can spread these beautiful roses through the whole design by cutting them short and putting them right in. Do the same thing with the other stem. So, I know you already know this, but I'm going to say it. You cannot eat these peppers once we've used them for flowers. So don't think when the flowers die you can make a salad out of these. Please do not. This is a just for the beautiful of the flowers moment, and it's not going to be your lunch next week. So don't eat them. And we have our gorgeous mini carnations, our bicolor mini carns. Same thing that we just did with the spray roses, we're going to do with these mini carns. Group them, give them a short cut, and just fill in our vessels. Fill in those peppers. It always surprises me month after month how far we can take that single bouquet and create a beautiful design. That one bouquet that you picked up in the store with some peppers, we create a tablescape out of. All right, now we have our matricaria. We like this to dance over the flowers, so we're going to cut it short, but we do want to leave a little bit of length. We want to create this little dancing moment over the rest of the flowers. It gives that dramatic height that we're looking for. It really adds to the dimension of the arrangement. You don't need it super tall, but let's give it some height. All right, one more piece of the beautiful matricaria. And I'm gonna put it right into here. What do you think? Very cool. The color of the peppers really sets off the flowers. I'm saving this because I want to do something else with that. So next what I would do is I will grab, I love cutting boards, so we always have lots of decorative cutting boards. And I'm going to assort these onto this cutting board just to have what's going to be on my table. And one of our little roses popped out, but that's okay, we'll put you back in. And I'm going to take some of our eucalyptus, cut it into pieces, and just have it garnish the cutting board. A little bit of that natural green bringing to the table just adds that perfect moment of I've thought this through and I want to add on a special moment. What do you think? Very cool, right? We're not finished. One more item. So in our basket of peppers, we have these little guys that I think just are a perfect accent to the platter, just to give us a little bit of a moment to carry that vegetation down to the platter. And this will certainly be the most beautiful display you will have. And don't forget, we have the gorgeous tops of the peppers. These definitely should be part of our display. Whether you place them on the platter, it looks like the perfect garden that you just picked this all from your garden and you created this beautiful tablescape. What do you think? I hope you love this as much as I do. Bring this to your next barbecue, put it outside, have a vegetation and floral experience, and I guarantee you, you'll have a party that is amazing. Remember, like and subscribe, and join us next month as we tackle some flowers to wear for the showers and the weddings to come. Have a great month. Bye.